Good morning guys, ito na po yung menu namin for today. Yellow rice means kabsa rice. Yung kabsa namin at saka bukari halos parehas lang po yung rice nya, pero magkaiba lang po niya yung kulay. Yes, colors different, taste is almost. Ooh, this is chicken with mushroom. Yeah, Arabic din po yan guys. So, bango, smell very good. And ito naman po yung vegetable soup. Ayan. Arabic din po siya guys. Ayan. So another cream, yeah, soup cream. Ayan. Arabic din po yan. So this side it's almost Arabic yan. So we will move to salad area. Ayan. Yan po ang salad area natin ngayon. Start dessert at lemon. Tinis nila yung lemon para maganda nga naman ang design. Ayan. Lemon also. And another one is vegetable salad also. This different cut, of course. Filipino. Wow, so delicious. Alright, this one. So yan, nag-prepare na po sila. Yan guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.